I'm Gail Stormwing.
I'm Ramford Beekman, and this is Bird News.
Last week, we had to bring our Panjura team over when things got a little out of hand.
For reasons that are not my fault.
So this week, instead of sending Ramford out to report on the new Acro mod and risking another disaster, we're going to check in with Rex and Nova.
Did you say there's a new Acro mod?
Is that a type of DAS?
Not everything's a DAS, Nova, but I always like putting apexes to the test.
What if it's just a really big DAS?
Then it'll be a very short test. Let's go. Find the Acro, show it who's boss. Sounds simple, right? Except this map plays by different rules. I knew something was off the moment I didn't see a boundary wall.
Don't you have family here?
That's a story for another time. We got an Acro to find.
Wow, look at this.
Think we can make this jump?
I don't know. What if we can't?
Then we'll make the blooper reel.
Rex, I'm not too sure about this.
It'll be fine. Just aim for the water.
How did we not die? Also, let's go again. Is this your thing?
I don't think so. He just wants eggs for some reason.
Weird. Do dasps even lay eggs?
That question is wrong on so many levels. What do you call a biome that's not a forest? I don't know. Never seen that till now.
Biomes, quests, POIs that connect? I don't know. At least water is still water, right? Rex, the water is not water! It tastes like salt rock!
They need my help, Gail.
Is anyone going to stop him? We all know he's just going there for nonsense. Okay, if anyone needs me, I'll be in Hot Springs.
That was close.
Yeah, we should take a break in Hot Springs too. Where's that?
We'll be fine. Doubt this map has any more surprises. What is this?
Hear me out. Maybe it's a...
It's not a water DAS.
I'm here to help.
Ramford is here. Everything's gonna be okay now.
Follow me.
Where are we going? Now this feels like home.
Still too many quests, but I'll let it slide.
The leeches are broken. Why's it gotta be this way?
Why are you questing anyway?
I like to quest.
Well, hurry up. We still got an Acro to find.
If you're looking for something, you can always use a lookout tree.
Then why did you bring us here instead?
It's nice here.
Finally, I can use this tree to spot the Acro.
But how do you... Wow. It's like a pterosaur's eye view.
What did you say? I'll show you who's not a bird.
Rex?
A little busy here.
Rex, I see everything.
Do you see an Acro?
No, but there's a really big dasp down there.
We can't let him get away. Hurry, go.
I'm Ramford Beekman, and you may know me from such programs as Bird News and Bird News. And that one time when Gail left and I was the lead anchor for the day.
That's still Bird News, Ramford?
Yeah, I'm everywhere. The network wanted me to deliver the following important message. The character selection screen is a live feed and therefore should not be used for disruptive behavior. Well, that didn't sound right. When present at this location, we are reminded to act respectfully and I can't read this. I can't. Here's the spot. Go. Make it count.
The BiRD News Network does not endorse disruptive behavior at the character selection screen and encourages you to...
No, they deserve to know the truth. Go there, make me proud.
He got away. Did you really have to play that right now?
I didn't play it.
Not me.
I'm off the clock.
Then who? Camera guy? Definitely not him.
In my defense, you're welcome.